What's up, you guys, and welcome back to a Vlogmas Day 8. Today we are going to be doing these stockings here. We're going to be going from this to this. So with that being said, guys, smash this video with a huge thumbs up. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Lena. Be sure to subscribe down below and turn on those post notifications. That way you get notified every single time we upload a new video. Welcome to the life as Lena Mac. Alright guys, so to start off, you are going to need a stocking, your choice of stocking, glitter, your choice of glitter, glue, your choice of glue, and a paintbrush. Your size, your choice. This is the one I'm using, guys. You'll see what I use it for in the video. So with that being said, guys, smash this video with a huge thumbs up and let's get started. Alright guys, so it's your choice if you want to take a piece of cardboard and practice first before you go on to your actual work of art here. You know what I mean? For the video, I am gonna glue everyone's name and then glitter everyone's name, if that makes any sense. However, I, in real time, glue the name, glitter the name, glue the name, glitter the name, glue the name, glitter the name, if that makes any sense. Let's just get started. Alright guys, here is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick, easy DIY project. Again, all I used was some glue, glitter, and these $1 stockings. So with that being said, guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day and staying positive. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!